Ito yung mga malalaki. Saan tayo banda doon?
Saan ba tayo?
Saan ba tayo galing?
Oh, doon pa po.
Doon pa sa dulo? So doon kami guys. Galing kami sa likod yata nitong building na. Tama ba? Galing din. Oo, doon kami. Naglakad kami guys.
Nakarating.
Oh, diba? We walk from there.
To here.
Oh, to here. You see? So, we walk far like that, you know? And, ayan guys, you see? So, ayan na yung, siguro, kaya maliliit siguro yung dyan yung mga ano, mga apartment kasi nga, yung space lang, di ba?
Kasi matatakpan na yung ganyan yan. Wala na siyang view.
Wala nang view, oh. Siguro sinadya.
Makikita mo dito yung anong pangalan nito.
So you see guys here, they have the picture tayo dito. Tapusin ko lang tong video ko. Hanggang dito lang. Tama na to. Pwede na mag-video na tayo ha. So guys, you see. So that's the Galaxy. So doon tayo naglakad tayo doon oh sa dulo, di ba?
Di ba umikot pa tayo doon pag ano?
Oo. So naglakad kami doon sa dulo. So nakita nyo yon, inikot namin yun, di ba kanina? So, may video ako dun. So, I have video there. So, ayan guys. Oh, yan. Oh, the Venetian na yan. So, that's Venetian. And then, the Galaxy. Then, we walk from there. See, very far. Oh, tignan mo. May mga taong naglalakad. Oh, sa gilid, no. There's people who's walking beside the, ano ba tawag dito? River ba tawag yan? Lake. That's the lake. So, see that, oh. So, there are tourists here also. So, that's the park here. I think I was there, oh. Di ba si Oldie pala yan, oh. City of Dreams.
Londoner.
That is, yeah. That's, no. Look, guys, look. I'm gonna show you. I was there last night. So, that's City of Dreams, right? So, you see the clock there. Londoner. And then, Venetian. Parisian. Yun yun, di ba? Yung parang ano siya. Ayan, guys. You see, guys? So, that's Venetian. Then, the Galaxy. Oo. Tatakpan. So, like that. You see the view. So, I'm done with my video. I'm gonna take a pictures, a lot of pictures with my pretty buddy, Zai. Thanks for watching guys. See you on my next vlog. Bye for now.